This is our Samsung Galaxy S3 review. This phone was launched in 2014, but I think it's the right time to review it. Samsung Galaxy S3 was a budget offering from Samsung. Now this phone is 6 years old, but still it's completely usable. Let's start with the camera test. This is the photo we just taken. This phone has a headphone jack. Now let's do some camera and video test. This phone has autofocus and HDR. Even though the photo looks beautiful, it lacks detail. Apart from all this, Samsung Galaxy S3 is powered by Android version 4.4 KitKat. There's a 1500 mAh battery inside the phone, which gives me about 1 day of normal usage. This was our Samsung Galaxy S3 review. If you like it, please subscribe.